This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable microphone access on the Arc web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Arc web browser opened up now. To enable or disable microphone access, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little Arc logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, in the Profiles area, you want to click on your profile. Then you'll go down toward the bottom to where it says Privacy and Security, and click on Privacy and Security. Now on this page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to make sure you're on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you'll go down to where it says Site Settings and click on Site Settings. And then in the section where it says Permissions, right down here, Microphone. By default, it's probably enabled on your browser. As you can see, mine is. Sites can ask to use your microphone. If I click on that, right up top here, there's a little drop-down box. If you click on that, you could choose a different microphone. And default behavior. Sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. By default, the top one is probably toggled on like you see mine is. Sites can ask to use your microphone. To disable it, you would toggle on the bottom one. Don't allow sites to use your microphone. That is how to enable or disable microphone access on the Arc web browser. Thanks for watching.